If you think building and selling websites with AI sounds like another internet fantasy, good. In this video, I will show you the exact process on how to find clients for free, build a clean website within minutes, even if you have zero tech skills, and package it into a simple $199 per month offer. You don't need to be on camera and you don't need fancy tools. All you need is a repeatable system. Let's go. So first you want to go onto Google Maps and then you just type in any niche you would like to work with and the location. So for example, we would like to work with pest control in Leeds, and then hit enter. And then here on the left, you see all the results that come up for the pest control businesses in the Leeds area. You scroll through and you see these businesses all have websites, but if you keep scrolling, there may be some, here is one that doesn't have a website. Okay. So that is a good prospect to reach out to sell our AI website to. And I'm going to show you in a minute how you can build this website within minutes with their details on it. So click on it. And then what we want to do is we just want to copy all the details, the name, the address, all of that, scroll down, and then maybe some reviews. You copy this and then you head over to ChatGPT, and I've created a website copy generator, and I will give you access for free to this generator. Just simply comment below and I will get you this link, which you can use for free. Then you would just paste the data you've just copied from the Google My Profile and hit enter. And now ChatGPT starts creating copy for the entire website, including the hero banner and then including placing the contact details, all of that throughout the website. So it doesn't just create a landing page, it will create a full-blown website, including the content with high converting copy for it. While this is working for us, we want to head over to a software which is called HighLevel. And within this software, we are going to build this website using AI. And this software is so amazing because you sign up for it as an agency owner and you can sign as many clients as you want without needing to pay more monthly fee or yearly fee to the company. So everything that you are charging for the website in monthly recurring revenue becomes yours. It goes straight into your pocket and you don't need to share it with the company. So you head over to sites on the left, websites at the top, click new website, and here we have the option to create one from blank, or we can choose a template from over 1000 templates. In this case, we are just going to create one from scratch. So let's just name it Pest Control Leads, hit create. Then we want to open up a new page. Let's call it home. Let's create new page. Then we want to create from blank. And here on the left, you can see the AI builder popping up. So you click on build, you go back to ChatGPT, and it has finished creating the content. So we are going to copy all of it until the very bottom. So copy all the details, go back to the software and paste the entire content into this box and then hit enter. Now it is asking us, hey, you've shared quite a bit of content. What exactly would you like us to do? And then here it gives options. Would you like me to turn this into complete homepage funnel layout with sections and structures, rewrite for clarity and conversion, or design a specific page? So we are going to use the first one, turn this into complete homepage funnel layout with sections and structures. We copy this and we paste it down in the message box. We're kind of like conversing with the AI and then having a chat exactly of what we want them to do. So hit enter. And whilst this software is building the website, we want to head over to a free AI logo generator, luca.com. And then we just want to start building our AI logo with it. So let's take the company name, Chapel Pest Care Group, for example. We hit the name in here, generate AI logos for free. Then we want to add the industry, want to name it pest control, hit continue. And then here you can pick some logos that you like. That one, let's say this one, this. Let's keep it very simple and clean, and that, and then hit continue. So, and then we should pick a color, and the color should really match the website layout. So let's go back to the website builder and see how far it got. And ta-da, here it has already created the entire website with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages, including the headline, call to action, request a callback, place for the reviews. Really nice, really beautiful. So we can actually click on preview right here. And here we have created a website within minutes using AI. So now, of course, you can go in and keep chatting with the AI. Hey, please add these pictures, or hey, change the color to this or that. And until you have created a website that satisfies your needs. So since the color is a bit greenish, we're just going to select greenish as well here. So let's hit continue. Let's add the company name again, and then optionally a slogan, hit continue. continue. Here it asks us to choose some symbols. We can select green or a plant. Let's hit continue. And now the software creates a logo for us for free. Let's continue as a guest. And here you have many different logos to choose from. Let's say we go with this one. We can then go into the editor and keep customizing it. In this case, let's say we would just keep it. We like it. Take a screenshot of it. Go back into our page builder. Click on the logo at the top and then click on upload brand logo. Click on upload. Select the logo. Upload it. Double click on it. And ta-da! Here we have our logo ready. So now it's just a matter of reaching out to the businesses and pitching your AI generated website. I've created a PDF sheet with many different outreach messages that you can just have for free. Simply drop a comment below and I will get you the PDF. Now, I want to show you another way on how you can find businesses without websites a lot faster within the same software where we just build that website in. Let me show you that. So once you're logged into your agency account, which you get access to when you sign up for a free trial, and by the way, there's a link in the description below which gives you 30 days for free. So you can go out within 30 days and get your first few clients for free without needing to pay for any software. Then you will see this prospecting tool, right? So we want to click on add prospect. Then here we want to put the same keywords, the people we want to work with, right? For example, let's say plumber and then the location as well. Let's say London, and then we want to increase the radius. We want to go for as much radius as possible. So 50K is good. And let's hit search. And then here it brings up all the plumbers within the area of London, within the radius of 50 kilometers, right? So here you can see a lot of different information about the business, okay? The business name, the prospecting score, how likely are prospects to convert when they see their Google My Business account, then their online presence. Do they have a Google My Business account? Do they have a website on WordPress? What's their Google rating? And do they have a website or not? And is that website added to the Google My Business pack? So here you can see already the first lead without a website, Pimlico Plumbers. Now I could go ahead and do the same thing, copy their details, put it into my AI website generator and ChatGPT. It creates my whole website content and put it into the system. It creates the whole website and then reach out to this company, say, hey, here's a free website, right? Again, remember, if you want the outreach messages, I've got them all on the PDF for you. Just comment below and I will get that PDF for you. Through all of the listings and find the ones that have no website. And by the way, if you go back, here we also have the Prospect AI feature, which will help you to scan through your leads on autopilot. It will automatically sync the leads into the CRM, and it then will automatically reach out to those prospects with the same messages that you can get via the PDF below. And this, you can just schedule, hey, I want 5 prospects every week. I want the system to reach out to 5 plumbers every single week. And it just does it on autopilot. And you would just go into conversations here on the left and respond to the conversations where people actually reply to you. So you've got really nothing to lose. You can get leads for free. You can build a website for free. You can get the copywriter ChatGPT tool from me for free and the outreach messages for free. If you want to give it a try, sign up via my affiliate link below. That comes with many more bonuses. You can read through them via the page linked below. And next up, I created a video that will explain to you how you then can upsell more features on the back end once you got the foot in the door selling that AI website. I will see you over there.